Om Shri Sai Ram, offering my most prayerful salutations at the divine lotus feet of my beloved master, Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Bhagavata Vahini, Chapter 14. The Exit of the Pandavas. Summary. The pain of Parikshit was palpable as he begged the Pandavas to stay. Even other elders could not bring themselves to console him. Yudhishthira and Arjuna managed to placate him and instill in him the courage, like the Lord had given them the strength to bear their father's loss when they were in the forest as children. He too would find strength and grace within him to rule well and manage himself. Then, with unwavering focus, they left without looking back, unconcerned with the subjects pleading with them to stay, with their minds fixed on Krishna, hoping to ascend to heaven or die in the attempt. Eventually, all the Pandavas except Yudhishthira fell down and died due to some failings in them that Yudhishthira was aware of. Only Yudhishthira, after a couple of more tests of compassion by the celestial father Dharma, managed to make it to heaven in his human form, where he was reunited with his loved ones. Key takeaways. The Pandavas and Arjuna, in particular, were completely convinced and understood that Krishna was their only source of strength, and that if that power had rescued Parikshit from certain death, it would also guide him to his highest destiny, even without their presence in the child's life. We too need to internalize this, that our children are really not our children. They are children of God, and life's love for itself channeled through us, not by us. We are accorded guardianship and mentorship responsibilities for a temporary period, and we have to then leave them to meet their own destiny and in a future where we do not belong. So let us recognize and limit our roles in their lives and allow them to make their future their own through God's grace alone, without our ongoing active domineering control. The Pandavas were not at all attached to the kingdom and riches and saw it as a duty and responsibility. So, when the time came, they were effortlessly able to give it up and walk away. Many of us, be it in our jobs or in positions of power, don't allow the next generation to take over and step aside to make way for them. It's the way of life and nature that old makes way for the new, and we should spare ourselves further lifetimes of attachment by treating everything we have materially as temporary and learning to let go responsibility at the right time. Achievement of any major task required unwavering focus, both of physical time spent on it and mental energy as well. The Pandavas were bonded together inseparably, lifelong, like 5 fingers on the palm. Yet, when the time came to seek the heavens, they walked away with eyes focused inwards on Krishna, unconcerned with the physical welfare of themselves or the others. This is the intensity with which we need to seek God and the truth within ourselves. End of chapter 14. Sai Ram.